actually made it here to Douglas Lake here on the eastern part of Tennessee, looking for all kinds of stuff.
Yes.
Who knows what we're gonna find? We don't even know what we're aiming for. We're just looking for interesting stuff. So it's beautiful out here. You can see there's a couple people out here like on their boats and stuff like that, but that's about it. You got the mountains all out there. It's really awesome. So what'd you find? Oh, let me see. Oh yeah.
Does that look cool?
Yeah. Well, that's a start. Ooh.
Ooh.
Actually, yeah, because look.
Yeah.
Oh, nice. Good job.
I did good.
I just found this one like this, and then I flipped it over, and I just think it's something. So I gotta wash it off. Looks like it'd be good. So let's go see. I almost thought I was back in Ohio. This looks like flint 100%. And this is what we have all up there. Ooh, there's another piece. Look at this.
Ooh, look at this.
Ooh, piece of candy. Like, look at the water banding in this. Babe, look. I feel like there's all kinds of cool stuff over here. This one looks like you can make this into a bullet.
Well, that's why I think we should start lower because...
Oh yeah, there's gonna be a bunch of stuff here.
There's gonna be a bunch.
I'll just put this in your bucket.
My bucket?
Yeah, it doesn't
And I'm
matter.
gonna give to you to carry it.
Incredible.
And
I can't, like, I don't even, I'm seeing too many things before I even get down there. So I'm just gonna go down there, wash it off, and then come back. See, this is what I'm talking about. I just found another one. Incredible. I just can't. There's just too many goodies. I think we're really good at just spotting random stuff. Oh man, okay, let's wash them off. Set that there. Let's try to wash this off a little bit. Let's see what it looks like. Watch some alligator or something crazy come up and get me. Obviously that's a joke. Man, I can't really get this off. Huh. But there you go. Wow, it's orange and red. That's really cool. Got to get the clay off of it. I wonder what this is gonna look like really clean. Guys, look at that. That looks awesome. And then this other one that I found. Oh, I love this. I just keep finding the red ones. I forget what they're called. It's almost, they look like flesh almost. But that one probably is gonna look really cool cut open.
something in this little path here.
Maybe.
It's sparkling. Like the dirt is sparkling.
I feel like this little guy right here could be a geode. I can't remember how you're supposed to tell, but like this one definitely could be a geode. This one might look interesting cut open too. It's like an egg. Sometimes I can't determine if I found something that is a geode or not. So it's kind of annoying. Sometimes I'm just gonna collect it and then maybe just cut it open and we'll see. I just found this one. I thought this one was very interesting looking. It looks like it has a bunch of, like it's cells, like the rock cells in the inside, the organisms or something. It's really weird. She's over there still in the same spot. So she probably found like a ton or is finding a ton of stuff. And I'm over here finding like nothing, just nickel frits. Just, I mean, look at her, way over there. Did you find anything? Oh, of course. Unbelievable. I feel like this one would be a nice agate if I were to cut it open. It just looks like it would be. I'm not sure. I guess we'll see. Also too, I think this is like the only part that I've seen so far. All this part right here, it looks like a bunch of shale. I think that's how you call it, or something like that. Like it's pretty sharp. It almost looks like the seaweed, but no, I don't know. It's pretty interesting. Check out this one. It reminded me of like a Viking rune or something like that. I'm gonna wash it off and see what it looks like. Yeah, that's kind of cool. It's almost like you could wrap a wire around it. So once I clean these rocks, my theory behind this is that you could polish them and they look amazing because they're already so smooth and whatnot. Oh, I just think that's so cool. And they're big. Like some of these rocks that I'm finding, it's incredible. Like the shape. Like I found this one rock. Like, look at this. It's just a, oh my goodness. It's like completely like, you could put this in a, oh, I thought I felt something in there. I was like, is this some type of animal or something? I don't know. I mean, it's like almost like a vegetable. Oh guys, this one's a beauty. Look at this agate. This one's nice. I wonder where the whole piece is. It's just laying right here. Glad nobody found that one. That's pretty neat. Carrying my bucket, I just found this one. Look at this, like orange and red one. And it's like already polished and everything. Can't wait to find out what this is. That's what it looks like cleaned off. Beautiful. Back here for round 2 at the Dandridge. Was it Dandridge? I can't remember what it was called. Yeah, but this time we're all the way over here instead of on the other side of the lake. So we're gonna see if we can find some stuff. I would say this is my first decent one I've found so far, as I just started. It looks like there's a little bit of the quartz in there. So this is pretty nice. Like these pieces, I'm not sure, I swear, I'm recognizing this as flint. Well, at least like this piece right here, I feel like this is flint, like back up in Ohio. Yeah, this stuff is definitely flint. Look at this. Yeah, I think all this is like because it's like really sharp. Cut you in a heartbeat. As always, look at her doing her own little thing over there. Finding all the good stuff. We're probably disturbing this person when we go wash off the stuff. They've already been catching fish and whatnot. What'd you find? What'd you find? Oh. I would assume it's possible to dig all under here to see if I could find some geodes maybe. But I'm not sure how lucky I would get. Saw this one, it looked interesting. Thought it might be a rock, so I'm gonna try to dig it out. It wasn't too hard to get out, obviously, but it reminds me of like a tree moss rock. It's like all green. It's so cool to see all this, because generally this would all be underwater. Literally all this. So all these rocks and obviously the trash everywhere is generally underwater. You can see the point to which the water usually like is and just sits there. But even like the houses that are out there, like the water rises up all the way there. So it's neat to see what you can find after it's been drained. Now, I don't know what kind of ritual type having stuff they did over here. Probably like sacrificing some agates or something, I don't know. Stuff is weird. There's this nice looking one. Just sitting right here in the water. Already washed off and everything for me. Look at these like massive, like just boulders that were just under all this water. Like they're massive. It's crazy. Bigger than cars. It's cool to think you can just like walk down here, going on all these little adventures we're always going on, and see maybe, hopefully I don't slip. These rocks are like slippery. Ooh. I'm like, look at them all. Right up against the water, and you can see how high it would go. We're like right under here. You could literally camp out. Looking for something good. Found maybe these ones. Almost fell there. Seemed like it might be decent. Looks like a little quartz right there. And this one too. Who knows? Maybe it's kind of colorful. Let's see if I wash it off, what it looks like. Yeah, different coloring. I like that. Let's see this one. Yeah, a little bit. So this rock right here, maybe obviously somebody probably put it here. It was like a perfect shaped where it could be like a door stopper or like a little decoration. And I was thinking about getting it and put it like right on the porch or something. Maybe right in our little adventure that we did. Like it's kind of big if you want to see, you know, measuring it. I don't know. So she found this really big chunk one, and I think this is that pink one that we kept finding. So if you were to split this down the middle, I think that's what it would look like. Is that what you'd say?
Hopefully it's pink.
Well, I mean, it looks pink. It's like flesh.
I found this.
Oh, nice, yeah.
Almost lost it.
Wow.
I don't know why you would blow on it like that.
Those are nice.
Yeah.
So as she was coming up to the car, she stopped because she found these pieces. And don't know what they are, but I'm gonna find out. Where was it? Oh, right here, yeah. So, can't really see it that much. But it's, yeah, it's definitely mineral for sure. Yeah. So I'll probably cut this one open or clean it off. Nice. So it dawned on me what people have been doing, and the reason why we're finding them broken like that is because people are just breaking them and looking on the inside, which is what we used to see when we were looking for flint all the time. All the rocks were broken open, and that's when we were finding all the crystals. So we're gonna try break some open and see what we can find. Here's some that we've been breaking open, and you can see, so once that's cleaned up, it's gonna look pretty nice. Yeah, that one was split evenly. It was like perfect. Put that, there you go. You can really see it. Where was that, up here? No, but that's another one though. You could do, there it is. Yeah, I like these ones. What'd you find? Nothing?
Well, I found
Another one?
this piece. I mean, they all look the same though.
Yeah, they're all the
That
same.
piece is already broken up though. Found like this other piece.
Nice. I cannot break this one no matter how many times I try, so I want to cut it open. What do you got?
It's the first one I broke open. So
Yeah.
that's what I got.
See, I think that looks really cool.
Yeah.
It's amazing.
Yeah.
Why did that one break open and mine's not? And that was not even,
I think I'm stronger.
probably. Used a stronger rock.
I use this big one. Right
Use that rock lift weights. I was right, this rock lifts weights because I just tried it and it just bust open instantly. I like the red inside a lot. Cool. All right, so she wants to see what it looks like before and after. All right. Wow, well, a big piece up there.
So I got two.
Nice. The other piece is like long gone.
Yeah,
that's
we're
what we
behind
got.
you somewhere.